Hey, this is Tracy Lewis with Stuff and Things. It has been crazy. I am going through my summer sale-a-thon where every summer I sell my retired products. I've got paper pumpkin to do. Tomorrow is Winter is Coming Wednesday. I received a bunch of shares from my upline Libby as well as my order. I did an entire unboxing video. It was like 56 minutes long and it was all blurry. So I am struggling right now with trying to get my tripod in a correct location because it can't hang from the ceiling. So you're going to hear this probably with every video. So I'm trying some different things. So this video is just a short walkthrough. I would say, behind on videoing my projects as I create them. These were created with Libby. We crafted together a couple weeks ago now, maybe 3. And I just need to get these videoed. They're going to be quick walkthroughs. One of them has one retiring product. This particular project has no retiring products. And it was a color challenge. And there is a pin. I will get the Pinterest pin loaded up on my blog. And you will see that I did some monochromatic tone-on-tone with the pool party using these 5 flowers. I did some coloring with the light and dark pool party as well as the Daffodil Delight light on my little bees. I did Daffodil Delight light and dark. I did the basic gray light. No, I think I did Smoky Slate. And then the wings have a little bit of Wink of Stella, and I actually could see it when it was wet, but now it is not sparkling, so I might have to reapply it. I added some pearls. I used the new Hive embossing folder for the front layer, and then the Blackberry Bliss layer, which at the right angles you can see that it is the grungy script embossing folder. And then I distressed the top 2 layers. And here is the honeybee home that I wanted to show you all of the different cool options. I'm not happy with my light showing through all the shiny, but it seems like I need this light or it does not focus. The second project uses the Waves of Inspiration, which for me is a brand new set. And I used the Pelican. Here it is a pretty simple card, and then the only retiring are the pebbles. They are going away, which was very sad. And so I used a piece of the back of one of the Sun Prints and embossed it using the Friends Are Like Seashells embossing folder. Then I have a layer of Night of Navy, a little strip of what's going to be our blue glimmer for the winter, and then I went ahead and wrapped some linen and then just tied it in a knot. So those are 2 projects. And again, I'm doing my retirement sale, or retiring products, or already retired products for sale. For the first time I'm doing it online, so it has taken me a while to get it all very organized. I like to be highly organized, and I like to do spreadsheets and formulas and have a lot of auto-calculating going on so that I can very quickly adjust pricing as I need to. So I will have a link to the Facebook group. I am only doing one group right now because I'm just starting out, and it's already getting pretty hectic, as I knew it would. This will be my flurry. I have sold off my stuff once a year, every summer, forever. I used to create a lot of horse related products that I would sell at horse shows, and every summer I would pull all of it out, all of my vending app setups that I used at horse shows. I would set it all out, and we had a really large living room, and then I would invite horse friends over, and they would come over kind of in groups, and then I would spend the evening with them, or whatever, the Saturday with everyone shopping. I did a lot of custom rhinestone additions to show clothes for people. So I would set up times for that. So anyhow, I have been selling off my extra inventory every summer, like the June, July timeframe, for like 20 years. So this is a thing I do, though this time I am doing it electronically, and it has been a lot of work to get it all set up. So once I get it set up, I hope to be able to keep selling my retired products throughout the year, because there's no reason for me to do it all in like a big chunk all at once. I should just not let my inventory get so overflowing like it does. So if you have any comments, questions, or concerns with these two projects that I shared with you today, please leave them here on the video or over on my blog. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.